All right, we're going to start a new unit. It's write and evaluate algebraic expressions. And I will let you guys know this too, but we're going to write into our journals. But if some of you are like, hey, now I finally really wrap my head around what we were supposed to do with these journals with, warm ups in the back and notes in the front. I have extra comp books and things. If you wanted to start new, I can give you a new one when we get back in person. Okay. Just wanted to offer that up. But go ahead and write your title in there. We'll get started on the solve it. The solve it is a little bit longer of a task, but I think it's relatively easy, but it just is recalling a lot of review. Mr. Ramirez class was playing a game in which students need to match sticky notes and have equivalent expressions. How can we sort these? So what we're going to find out is like each of these little Post-its would equal the same thing, and we would take the things that are equal, put them in one pile and another pile, and so on. So how many different groups can we put these into? So we'd have to figure out what each of these mean so that we can group them. So I've kind of took the scattered one and organizing them. But here, these are all distributed properly. We take the number in the front, we distribute it, right? So we get 12p plus 6. Here we take 2 times 5 and get 10p. And here we get 2 times negative 4 and get 8. We'll do 4 times 2 and get 8p. And then 4 times that 2 and just get 8. We cannot combine these as like terms because one is a variable, one doesn't. So we'll get 8 times p and then that. So we'll get 8p and 8. So you can see we're starting to combine some of these already. Like these bottom two equal the same thing. They both equal 8p plus 8. Here it's combining like terms. So I've got 8p's there and 2p's there. So I've really got 10p minus 8. Over here, I got 5p and 3p. I've got another 8p plus 8, which matched up with these two guys. And then last here, got some p's, 2p plus 10p. And then I'm going to do a different symbol under these. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we're going to get 12p plus 6. Here we got 3p, 4p, 5p. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12p's. That 6 has nobody buddy up with. And then last, can't simplify this. Don't try to. If it doesn't have the same variables, we just can't simplify. So hopefully from there you can see we've got 3 different groups. We've got a 10p minus 8, we've got 8p plus 8, and we've got a 12p plus 6 group that we can organize these Post-its into.